Your immune system is constantly active, figuring out which cells belong to your body and which don't. This means it needs a healthy dose of vitamins and minerals to keep its energy up and going. The following recipes are packed with essential nutrients for everyday health or fighting off viruses such as the cold or flu. 1. Orange, grapefruit, and other citrus. The Citrus Explosion by Happy Foods tube contains more than enough of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. Vitamin C has antioxidant properties, which protect your cells from substances that damage the body. A vitamin C deficiency can lead to delayed wound healing, an impaired immune response, and the inability to properly fight infections. If you have a cold, high doses of vitamin C might result in less severe symptoms and a quicker recovery. 2. Green apple, carrot, and orange. Carrots, apples, and oranges are a winning combination for helping your body protect itself and fight off infections. The apples and oranges give you your vitamin C. Vitamin A, which is also critical to a healthy immune, is present in carrots in the form of the antioxidant beta-carotene. The carrots also contain vitamin B6, which plays an important role in immune cell proliferation and antibody production. 3. Beet, carrot, ginger, and apple. This fortifying juice features 3 root vegetables that help your immune system and decrease inflammatory symptoms. Inflammation is often an immune response to infections originating from viruses or bacteria. Cold or flu symptoms include a runny nose, coughs, and body aches. People who have rheumatoid arthritis may find this juice especially beneficial, as ginger has anti-inflammatory effects. 4. Watermelon mint. Not only is watermelon rich in vitamin C and arginine, which can bolster your immune system, it also can help relieve muscle soreness. Muscle soreness is a common symptom of the flu, especially in older adults. The heavy water content of this fruit may also make it easier to juice, and it feels like less of a waste of fruit. 5. Green apple, lettuce, and kale. A vegetable-based green juice is a powerhouse of nutrients that promote a strong immune system. Show Me the Yummy has a wonderful recipe that'll make anybody, including kids, happy to drink their greens. Throw in a handful of parsley or spinach for some extra vitamins A, C, and K. 6. Strawberry and kiwi. Strawberries and kiwis are other healthy options to include in a vitamin C-packed drink. Since it takes about 4 cups of strawberries to make 1 cup of juice, you may want to blend these fruits into a smoothie rather than a juice. Milk is a good source of protein and vitamin D, which is hard to come by in juices that use only fruits or vegetables. Many people are deficient in vitamin D, which is largely found in sunlight and in smaller amounts in animal products. For an additional boost, swap the milk for a few ounces of probiotic-rich Greek yogurt. Taking probiotics may help your cells maintain an antimicrobial barrier. Probiotics are commonly found in supplements and fermented foods.